In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix someone has access to your screen. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you think that someone has access to your screen, this could be a problem with your messaging app. So this happens using your messages app. This may cause because of you've pressed or tapped on some suspicious links that caused you to share your information to other phones. So what you want to do is go to your app settings. So go to your settings, now go to your app settings. Now you want to find your messages app and you want to select messages. Now from here you want to scroll down until you find storage. And here you want to clear its cache. Also, you want to clear its data. Now you want to go back and tap the messages settings and make sure that you have blocked the suspicious numbers that you find suspicious that is using your screen. So after doing that, what you want to do is go back and simply restart your phone. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.